Hello and welcome to Advanced Driving Tuition. In this video we're going to do a Sharston Roundabout through Northenden. We're going to be turning left at the junction. Look on the centimeter, left mirror signal left. And now look for the safe gap. We're going to be following the sign to get leave. We're going to take a next turn to the right. Look in the centimeter, look in the right mirror, signal right, stay close to the center line. At the end of the road we're going to be turning left. Centimeter, left mirror, signal left. It's a giveaway junction. We need to stop and see that if the road is clear, we turn left. Speed on this road is 30 miles an hour. When you see the zebra crossing, quickly scan the road to see there's no one's waiting to cross the road. If it's clear, we're okay to carry on. Going to be taking a next turn to the right. Look in the centimeter, look in the right mirror, signal right. Stay close to the center line to turn right. Speed on this road is 30 miles an hour. So from here we're going to be following the sat nav.
After 300 yards, go right on the roundabout, third exit.
So we're approaching the roundabout and we need to turn right at the roundabout, which is the third exit. Look in the center mirror, right mirror, signal right.
Go right on the roundabout, third exit.
And then we look for the safe gap. That's the first exit already gone. Now position ourselves in the left lane now because the next exit is ours.
Take the exit, then cross the roundabout.
Speed on this road is 30 miles an hour.
After 300 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit.
So we're approaching the roundabout again. You can see the little triangle says after 100 yards is a roundabout. Road marking is not very clear here. It's hard to see roundabout. So we're going to slow down here. going to take a second exit. We need to stop the car. If someone's coming, we have to wait for them. They have a right of way. If it's clear, we're okay to join the roundabout. After passing the first exit, you can give a left signal.
Go right on the roundabout.
So sat nav already told you that you're going to be taking a right at the next roundabout. So we look in the center mirror, right mirror, position ourselves to the right if it's clear.
After 300 yards, go right on the roundabout. Third exit.
So we're going to take a third exit on this roundabout, which is we're going to take a right at the roundabout.
Go right on the roundabout. Third exit.
So center mirror, right mirror, signal right. Look for the safe gap. There's no one coming, so be okay to carry on. Pass the first exit. Soon you pass the second exit. Look in the center mirror, left mirror. If it's clear, go into the left lane because that's your exit lane now.
Then keep right.
Now speed on this road is 50 miles an hour, so you need to build the speed up.
After 500 yards, keep right.
Look in the center mirror, look in the right mirror, signal right. Your speed should be around about 45 to 50 miles an hour when you join the dual carriage. This round will take you back to the test center. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.